This is the biggest festival in Japan. It's called Obon Festival and families come together to honor their ancestors. Every year in August, the Japanese celebrate their ancestors returning home. The spirits, not the physical bodies, are believed to return to their family's home village during this time, so families will gather together and pray to their ancestors, and also dance to welcome them home. As I walk through the festival grounds, I can hear the drums of Bonodori and see people in yukata, dancing in circles. The lanterns glow beautifully, guiding spirits back home. It's truly one of the most magical summer traditions in Japan. Here comes the more fun part. Festivals in Japan are never complete without food. From sizzling street snacks to sweet festival treats, the flavors add even more life to the celebration. During the Obon Festival, you'll see people of all ages, even the elderly, dancing in the street. And it's not just a dance, it's a celebration of life and death and the cycle of reincarnation. In some areas, they even have a parade with a huge float that represents a giant Buddhist temple, and at night they release these paper lanterns into the sky, which is one of the most beautiful sights to see. So when is the best time to visit Japan? Well, if you want to see the Obon Festival, then August is the month to be there. After enjoying the festival's vibes, based in Japan but stomach is still in India, so now I am heading for something special to eat. We have reached to our final stop for today's vlog. There are so many tempting things in the menu. I am from Indore city in India, the city which is famous for its food. Every Indori is a foodie, so choosing what to eat is always difficult. But tonight I already knew what I wanted and I ordered it. The kitchen is preparing my food, a special plate made just for me. I can hear the sounds, smell the spices, can't wait anymore. And finally it arrives, Daal Baati, hot and fresh. And just like that, the plate is empty. A good meal always ends too quickly. The night feel complete with Obon and with this Daal Baati. Full heart, full stomach, time to end the day.